This is the Panasonic EY79A3 Brushless Combi. It's actually a smart brushless combi, and I'll go into that in a little bit more detail shortly. It's got a 13mm keyless chuck on it. It's got easy click 18 torque settings. Click again, you're into drill mode. Click again, you're into hammer drill mode. 2 high and low speeds variable on the trigger. It's also got a rubber overmould, and the whole tool has been set for the Tough Tool IP rating, which means it resists dirt and water ingress on sites. So it's an industrial machine for industrial applications and everything that the trade user requires. It's got a robust angled belt clip on it. It's at an angle so that the weight of the machine, when it's actually on your belt, goes right through the middle and it's not pulling on either side. So little thing, but well thought out. Comes with 2 5Ah batteries in this, guys. I think it's available with other batteries as well, or as a bare unit. It's very clever with the battery system though. You've got some really good features and benefits here. Just on the battery, you've got a job light switch, so you can switch that on and switch it off. You've also got 3 speed modes here, low, medium and high, and that's in either speed. So where are we? We're on low there. So in speed 1 and on low speed, you're variable, but you top out at about 150 RPM. Now, why is that important? If you're drilling with something like a 100mm hole saw, that's the maximum speed roughly that's desired to get optimum cutting performance. So it makes sure you don't with your trigger, over rotate, and then you run the risk of cutting inefficiently or burning your tool out. So there's the 3 modes there, and you just press this button. So then if you go into the medium, all right, medium mode there, that's higher. Back in low, back in high, and then, but if I was to switch it to the high mode, again variable, and it takes it right up. Now, in addition to this, there's a tapping function, and what that does is if you've got to tap a thread, whether an electrician tapping into conduit or a Patris box, or an engineer, mechanic, very often you're tapping the thread. You're either doing it by hand, or if you're doing it with a machine, you sort of forward, click across, reverse, click across, forward, because you tap in, you tap out. This has got a tapping function on it. You press the tap button, hold it down for 2 seconds. That's come up on the front there, and then although it's got a drill bit in it, every time I pull the trigger, it goes the opposite direction. So we're going to see that in action in a second now. I'm going to come off of that, press the button. Okay, I'm going to go into high speed, high mode. I'm going to drill a hole, click round, put my goggles on. There they are. So we're just going to see how this little feature works. Okay. Let's get the tap in. Go into drill mode. Go into the tap mode. Oh. I'm now in tap mode, and then we'll and now that feels like that's gone through. Yeah, that's gone through. Quick as you like, and now you've got a nice clean thread ready to go. There you have it, the smart brushless combi drill from Panasonic.